Are you struggling to export Mac Outlook data into multiple formats? Introducing SysTools Outlook Mac Exporter software. Best tool to export Mac Outlook emails to PST, EML, MSG, HTML, CSV, vCard, PDF, and MBOX file format. Key features of the software. Export options. Convert Mac Outlook data into multiple formats including PST, EML, MSG, MBOX, vCard, CSV, PDF, HTML, and Office 365. Preview data. View emails with complete attributes and corresponding attachments before exporting. Split PST feature. Break large PST files into smaller, more manageable sizes for better performance. Maintain hierarchy. Preserve the original folder structure during Mac Outlook to PST export for organized data access. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools Outlook Mac Exporter tool. Click the top search result that leads to the official SysTools website. On the product page, click the download button. Once downloaded, install the software by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch the tool. Once you launch the tool, you'll be greeted with a simple and intuitive interface. Now, let's start the export process. Click on Add File option to add your OLM file from its location on the local machine. A small window will appear. There are two options: Browse OLM file and Browse extracted folder. If you have large size OLM file, then choose Browse extracted folder option. Before choose this option you have to zip and extract the OLM file. Otherwise select Browse OLM file radio button. Click on three dots button. Select OLM file and click Open button. The advanced scan option also available for corrupted file or unreadable file. Click on Add File button to initiate the file scanning process. Displays progress of the process with file name, size and timestamp details. Scanning process is complete. Click on Yes if you want to save the scanned results as per convenience. Now the software will list all the folders in the left panel. Select the folder which contains Mac Outlook email files. Once you select the folder, the emails will be visible in the right panel of software. You can preview your email in the bottom. You can preview in multiple modes like normal mail view, hex view, properties, message header, MIME view, HTML, RTF, and attachments. Default view option will be normal mail view. For selected email conversion, check the checkboxes what you want to export and click on Export selected option. For complete data conversion, click on the Export button from menu bar. A window will appear. Select that folder which you want to export. You will see multiple export option. Select PST radio button and click on Advanced setting. You will see PST split option. This option allows to split the resultant PST file according to specified size by MB or GB. Date filter option. This allows the user to migrate specific data from Mac Outlook. Choose the start date and end date to define the time range for the export. Only the data falling within this range will be exported. You can add multiple date range. You can remove unwanted date range by clicking on Remove button. Categories. It allows you to select the required data like emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, and notes. After that, click on Save button. Now, click on Browse button to provide the location to save the resultant file. Select the location where you want to save your resultant file. After selecting the location, click on OK button. Now apply required options like maintain folder hierarchy to keep the original folder structure of Outlook data intact in the output files. Use Outlook mode To choose this option, MS Outlook should be installed and configured on machine. Ignore system folders to skip default system folders like junk, deleted items, or drafts during export. At last, click on Export button. The software will start processing the data and exporting it to PST format based on the selected options. Once the export process finishes, a confirmation message, "Export process completed successfully," will appear on the screen. Click on the OK button to proceed. Export status window will pop up. In this window, the export report will be generated showing the success and fail count for the export process. You can directly access the converted file by clicking on the location. And you'll find your exported output files carefully saved and organized in the format you selected. And that's it. That's how you export Mac Outlook data to any popular format. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.